Sheila and welcome to today's video, guys. And this is going to be a short and sweet and quick one. This is my EarFleek for the month of August. And for those of you who don't know what EarFleek is a monthly earring subscription service. You get one pair of earrings sent to your house for only $3.49 a month, and that does include shipping. It always comes in this nice bubble wrap. I've never had any problem. I enjoy this subscription. This is one of my favorites. And they also have a nice little game that you can play on their website where every month you go and you heart the ones you like and you thumbs down the ones you don't, and then that way they know which ones to send you. And I am so excited this month because they sent me some beautiful earrings, and I remember seeing these little gold butterflies and I finally got them, so yay. So let me go ahead and put these in. I think they are perfect for summertime. And also, guys, I have a referral link that if you would like to try it, I will leave it in the description box down below. I would recommend it. I love this. This is just a fun, cheap subscription to get sent to your house every month. And I always love my earrings. So what do you guys think? I think they're pretty cute. Well, I hope you guys have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.